Welcome to a windy day 9. Not too bad. Had another storm last night. Hopefully it's going to make it even hotter today. Should do. Wind's blowing my beard and hair about because they're all soft and fluffy. But it's beautiful down here. It's 5 AM. The sun's just coming up. Misty, very misty. Hopefully that's because it's going to be a nice hot day. It's just something about walking on the beach on your own at 5 AM, no one about. Can't beat it, just you and the ocean and the beach. And obviously the wildlife, the birds. But I suppose I better get Mrs. P a cup of tea in a minute. It'd be nice for one day for her to get out of bed and get me a cup of tea. I don't think that's going to happen on this holiday. You just make me a cup of tea when I get home. Hey ho, we'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, little baby Lizzie. Just on our way to, where are we going, boys?
The Cancun sign.
The Cancun sign for a photo.
Yeah.
But we're wildlife spotting on the way, haven't we, boys?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one. Hello, dude. It's alright, stay there. Enjoy your home. Wow!
Wow!
Hello, dragon.
Look over there, look at them all in there. They're everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're not scared, are you?
There's 6 in there. Look, they're everywhere.
He weren't scared, but they're everywhere in there. Whoa, there's one there.
6, 7,
Loads.
8.
And a flip-flop.
Dad, there's 8. There's 8.
Iguanas absolutely everywhere.
Is there any here?
So.
1.
Oh, look at that baby.
1, 2. Look, there's 2.
Look at the babies.
Look, so small. 2 babies. Where are you? Dad.
Hello. Hello. And this is just walking up to the Cancun sign. They're everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. It's so cool. Hopefully. Well, boys, we'll come back this way and we'll go along the beach.
Dad, be careful here. One might be very close and nibble one of your tootsies.
Yeah. So yeah, it's
One of them might nibble on your tootsie.
I might nibble on my tootsie. On my toe. Yeah, hopefully it's not busy at the Cancun sign. But we shall see. Yeah, you are. Beautiful morning after a stormy night. That weren't an iguana, no. Corbin, can you come this side? Yeah. We'll see you at the Cancun sign. Here at the Cancun sign. Busy, boys? Not that busy, is it? Little queue, but there's been massive queues. Iguana down there, look. Watching. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's not too busy, but there's been bigger queues in this, so we'll see.
One of these old days, we ain't gonna have to cry no more. You see, God's gonna wipe away all our tears. He gonna wipe the tears, yeah. He gonna
that's it. We've been to the Cancun side. We don't have to do it again. Took plenty of pictures. Nanny's been. And now we're just having a nice walk along the beach. See if we can find. Oh, there's an iguana! Should we have a selfie? Do you want a selfie, lizard?
Poor Linda, take the photo.
Hang on a moment, I just need to wind it on. I can't find the button.
You don't need to wind it on, it's digital. Get on with it. I can't hold this smile much longer.
Oh, he's run away. Oh well. See if we can find any nice shells or anything like that. But yeah, just having a nice family walk along the beach. There's a big iguana there on the sand. I can see him. Can you, mummy? Yeah. Look, down there walking towards us now. Bobbing his head. He's a big boy. Look at the holes in the rocks where they live. You're a big boy, ain't you? Look. Yeah, just having a... We're going to go up to the room, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, if Nanny and Grandad are there, they can stay down. It's the first time we're walking on the beach here, babe, for you. Yep. Yeah, he was down here the first morning, weren't you? Yeah. I don't know. So yeah, that's the Cancun sign done. It's a lot busier than last time there, isn't it? Yeah. Everywhere just seemed a lot busier than last time. But hey ho. Look at the birds just all dancing. Look. Hey?
I'm scared of birds.
Why are you scared of birds?
Because every time I run near them, they normally scare me.
Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime. Film them. Right, I've just got to show you all these iguanas. Look, they're everywhere. Wow, babe. This one is massive. Look at that, that is huge. It is like King Kong.
Oh shit!
King Kong of the iguanas, he was absolute massive, humongous. A bit grim around this, bit stinks. Absolute stinks around here. But we're going to carry on down here. Oh look, there's some old hotel ruins up there. So yeah, this is what it is. Not coming back to Mexico. This is it, we're done this time round. This is the bleak part next to our hotel. Wait.
2, 3.
Go Corbin! Go Corbin!
Check your balloon and come with me. Come.
Hey, ¿a dónde van? Aquí estoy, I'm here.
Here's sponsor. 2, 3.
Go in! Go Corbin!
Rápido, hurry, come on. The balloon. That is for you. Welcome to Mexico. Come on, kids, follow me. Come on, kids. Vamos, niños. Rápido. Aquí. Dejen el globo. Leave the balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Una, dos, tres.
Go, Corbin! Hey, get it! Go, back! Corbin! Over here! Quick!
No, aquí, niño, aquí.
Quick, Corbin! Corbin, quick! Go on, get out! Yeah!
Yeah? Oh my god. Okay, one more time. One more chance, okay? One more chance. Leave the balloon right here. I want to repeat again. When you take the balloon, swim right here. Go there.
Go! Come on! Go! Come on! Yeah! Go on, how you get it, quick!
One.
Woo!
Las otras cosas, let me cheer. Close your eyes. Come on.
No, it's not yours. Oh, get it then.
1, 2, 3.
Go! Come on! Go! Get it! Come on!
Estuviste muy cerca, you was very close. Okay, what's your name? Where are you from? England. A big applause for Coven from England.
Yeah!
Okay, Coven. Take your balloon. What is it?
Over there!
Lily, give me the balloon. Thank you so much. Okay, niños. Hey,
Yeah!
come here.
Yeah, well done! Yeah, that's awesome. Well done. Good boy. Third place. Bless
Bien,
you.
amigos, presten atención, pay attention, everybody.
He's so good.
We already have a very seriously covered. Vamos a hacer un desempate.
6.5 hours later.
Right, just having a little game of mini golf. There's me, Grandad, Nanny, and the two boys. Mrs. P, she's non-existent at the minute. Gone to her room. I'm going for that hole over there. Right, so Zach's go. Interesting game of golf. Hey, Nanny.
Yeah, we're going to golf.